are here present at the 56th edition of the International Film Festival, and we are interacting with the cast and crew and the production team and the entire team of Claudia. And we have with us the singer and actor Sonia Sirsat and the producer and the costume designer Priyanka. First and foremost, give us an insight. How does it feel acting in this particular film?
Um, Acting is something that I've not done before. I've done like one scene in some film, but not really acting as such. And so that was a new thing for me. But it was fun because I was put at ease, so much at ease by the crew, by the other actors, by the director, of course. And so like, okay, maybe I should try some acting in the future. But I had a really good time.
So I think we are looking forward to that. Maybe this is another feather to your cap now that can be. Indeed, Priyanka.
You won't say it's her first film. She is, I mean, like a seasoned actor.
So you have done the costumes for this film also. So what you had to, I think, look back to the time and then correlate the entire character into that particular costume designing. So what were the things you kept in mind while designing the costumes for the actor?
First of all, Goa and how people dress up in Goa, how they dress up when they go to church, to mass, at home. So that was researched. Then the color shades. Then when there are 4 actors in one scene, so I have to give different color shades to each actor. So it was lot of work, lot of table work. So I had Excel sheets where I would write, all the shades and the scenes. And you don't shoot in a sequence, right? So the outdoor shoot, indoor shoot. So one scene which we have shot on day 1, maybe the outdoor of that is shot on day 10. So all that needed a lot of table work.
So what were the major challenges, Sonia, for you as an actor, as singer you felt?
Challenges were, so the songs which are used in Claudia are songs that we have heard, okay, but here they have been put in scenes, so they're very apt to the scene of this movie, so like certain songs had to be slowed down, certain songs which were had to be given a sad feeling, which actually the original doesn't have. So keeping that in mind, I think that was one of the biggest challenge I faced. We were recording in Bombay, and this was right in the beginning before the shoots and all had started. So it was like completely blank. We had to imagine and do, yeah. So as it is for me, this was a new project. So but it was nice. It was fun. The biggest compliment I got was the one of the songs in the movie, which is a lullaby, Konkani lullaby, Dol Mujhe Bai, had to be sung in a very sad way. I had to actually sort of cry while singing. So I was doing this in the studio, and that day the main actor, Shishir Sharma, had come to the studio to meet the director and everybody else. And he came to meet the saxophone teacher who was teaching him to play the saxophone, Joki. And he was listening to it, and that's the first time I met him. And then he said when he heard me recording, he was already in tears. So that was of course a big compliment, but yes, it was a challenge to adapt the existent songs to the scenes of this movie, which was really nice.
Definitely. I think that is something which is the biggest compliment anybody could get at that moment. Yeah.
The entire audience go in tears when they listen to that song.
Definitely looking forward to that. So if you could just tell our viewers when exactly can we expect this in the theatre?
Claudia is releasing on 19th of December all over Goa. So do catch up, go to theatres and watch our film.
Let us interact with the actors of the film, Omar and Lulu. First and foremost, welcome and give us an insight. How does it feel being here at the International Film Festival?
Wonderful. First time for me, first time for Omar also, right?
Brilliant experience, very interesting. This is not our usual
Yeah, cup of tea.
our usual stomping ground, but yeah, wonderful to be in the
Yeah,
movies.
something different, something different.
So this is the first time that you all have worked in a movie as well? Okay, so how was the experience?
That's quite confronting the first time, but yeah, but it was a very interesting experience. It was lovely. Um, we are not used to seeing ourselves like that, so yeah, so it was quite the experience.
What were the challenges that you all came across when you all were shooting this film? Any specific challenges that you all came across?
Frankly speaking, I think there were no real challenge, at least for me, because we're used to cameras, I mean, people taking pictures and stuff, so it was that was easy going for us. And another good thing was like our director, he didn't impose that we had to say certain things. Like, he left it to us. Just guidelines were given and like we had to go forward with it. So that made it much more easier for us.
So similar. I mean, my first intimidation was the script, but then Mr. Talak gave us the freedom to kind of be flexible with the script as long as we got the gist and the main idea behind it, which then made things more spontaneous. It made things more natural. So so it worked very well that way.
Wonderful, I think, and also most importantly, I think there's some amazing star cast in this particular film. So it was a wonderful experience as well, maybe interacting with them.
Absolutely, absolutely. So
If you could share some incident that you all could tell our viewers.
Like Mr. Sharma, Shishir Sharma, he's so easygoing, seriously easygoing. Like for me, it was like I knew him through the ages. I used to always be pulling his leg, and everyone used to tease me about it.
yeah, no, very similar. So the thing is, we ended up being like a little family at the end, you know. So it's we're all very connected. Even now, we're in touch on a daily basis, and so
Pulling one another's legs.
wherever we might be, and we're all spread out. You know, it's through this WhatsApp group. We're always connected. Yes.
Wonderful, I think, and I'm looking forward to see this film in person. Any particular message to the viewers here? Very quickly.
Yeah, please come and watch it. Come and watch
We
it.
have to support Konkani films. We have to.
We have with us the ace musician, Mukesh Gatkar. Welcome to IFFI TV, and most importantly, give us an insight about how is your role in this film.
Thank you very much. My role in this film is as what I am as a musician. I'm playing the same role, and I'm very excited and I'm very happy to be a part of this Claudia team with renowned. We all know that renowned director, Mr. Talak, and also the co-actor, renowned Bollywood actor. So it was a very nice experience for me. Lovely, amazing it was.
Was there any challenges that, real life and real life, both the things you were there, but was there any challenges that you came across while shooting?
When I was offered this role, the first thing director told me, like, be what you are. We want as a musician. So that made, the first point made me like comfortable on the stage side. Rest, whatever he took out from me.
So are you a director's actor?
As I said, he wanted me what I am, like natural, up to our audience.
Definitely. I think you have, the art will grow and it will get better and better. Is there any upcoming projects of yours that is coming?
Projects are going on as far as music is concerned, like short films and like albums, and those are on, besides acting.
Looking forward to that as well. And any particular message to all our Goan viewers who are coming to cinemas and who have to come to cinemas to watch as Goan cinema to support them?
Just one line, just support Konkani Filma, we call Konkani Films. Watch them, give your insight. That's it. Thank you.
We have with us a DOP, Deep Sawant. Deep, first and foremost, welcome and give us an insight. How does it feel being here?
Great. IFFI has always been special. Being a Goan, I think I've been attending IFFI since the first edition. And yeah, so it's always been special.
So this year is even more special.
Much more special, of course. This was the first time my film has been showcased at IFFI. So the last time I was here, which was 5 years back, I was like, I'll come next time when I have my own film. And it happened. So yeah, it was nice.
You manifested it and that's what it happened indeed. So when we look at this beautiful masterpiece which is created at the moment, what were the major challenges while you as a DOP of this particular film?
The most challenging part of this film was the simplicity of it. The film is so simple, and when you have creating simplicity is the most difficult aesthetic according to me, because there's nothing to hide behind, right? So the sincerity behind it is what's been shown. That's exactly what I tried to portray out there. Yeah.
So when initially the storyboarding was done and the entire process went into the actual movie, did you get any directions from the director saying that I want it to be this way, I don't want it to be this way? There was a clash of interest?
Yeah, it was a collaborative process with regards to everything. And somehow it so happened that we synced at one point. So then it was very seamless. You know, I would get what he's thinking, he would get what I'm thinking. So it was a very smooth process that way.
Okay, so do you see a lot of youngsters also want to make filmmaking and want to get into filmmaking? So do you think the right opportunities will be created when Goan cinema increases here?
For Goans, yes, for sure. And even like with regards to the new technology that's come in the picture, right? Making films is not as difficult as it used to be. So I really hope people from Goa really, try their luck out. I mean,
So I think if you only have that one particular vision, it will work in the long term for sure.
yes, you need to have a clear picture in your mind what exactly you want to do, and that's how it sort of formulates in something. Yeah.
So any particular message you'd like to give to your Goan audience here right now to come in large numbers for watching Cloudy?
Yes, so the film is releasing on 19th of December, and I hope everybody would love the film. And it's a musical. Claudia is the name of the film, and the most famous Claudia song is being sung, again and again in the background of the film. So I hope it resonates with the people and it stays with them. Yeah.
And we are with us, sir. Sir, first and foremost, welcome to Goa. How is it being here?
Thank you so much. Yeah, this is my second year at IFFI. I was here last year for another world premiere of my film called Pune Highway. And I'm here again. I mean, it's now becoming a little familiar for me, a familiar ground to be stepping on. But yes, I think the enthusiasm of IFFI is seen from 8 o'clock in the morning till about 8 o'clock in the evening. I was here yesterday in the evening as well. So I find it really lovely to have an Indian film festival, which is not only the biggest in India, but also one of the biggest in Asia. To have world-class films being screened here, not only from all over the world, but Indian films also, and especially Goan cinema.
Absolutely. And today the film Claudia is there. Tell us about it. What can the audience expect?
Well, Claudia is a beautifully crafted musical film. You have to adapt yourself to music. If you adapt yourself to music, I think you will love this film because the songs are classics. The actors are all Goan musicians, except for me, of course. I learned the language. I learned how to play the saxophone. So for me, it's been an exhilarating kind of experience working with Rajendra Talak, working with Omar, working with Lulu, Mukesh, and of course Sonia Sirsat, who is, she is the flamingo.
So what were the major challenges that when you came across? Of course, when it comes to acting, there's no doubt about it. But for you, what was the major challenges, especially when you're fitting into this particular role?
Well, I think the most difficult challenge for me was to get the correct accent of the Goans. And Sir wanted a particular area of Goa, which is Benoli and Solset. So he wanted that kind of an accent. I tried my level best. I don't know whether I've succeeded or not, but I tried my level best. And I haven't heard any adverse comment on the accent as yet. So I
know that you're one of the perfectionists. Any particular thing that you have learned in Konkani that you'd like to say to our...
I know I speak Konkani. I'm Konkani Uleta. I speak it at home. I've stayed in the colony there. I've learnt the language. I studied in Andhra, but I learned the language. And I'm quite fluent with Konkani.
Well, we have the maker of Claudia film, Rajendra Talak sir. Sir, welcome. And first and foremost, give us an insight. How did Claudia happen?
Claudia happened is a big story because I always amongst the music people, either they are singer or they are musician. And always I used to feel, suppose they are so much passionate about that instrument or anything they are playing. Everybody who into that, something happens and they can't play. What will be the so this film talks about that. It's a nice musical journey of a musician, and when he cannot play that the instrument which he lost, what is about that? How his family members and his friends who are connected to him helps him to come over this situation.
What were the difficulties that you all came across while filming this masterpiece?
See, there were no difficulties because we are always, when we shoot, we plan. When we write, there are difficulties because you have to be focused entirely. You have to read many times. Actually, I started this story in 2018 end, 19 beginning, but then COVID came, so that was the big interference in between, and everybody was disturbed. You know about this. So even to come back to writing, it took me some time, almost 20 to 23. I started writing it back, and thanks to my wife. She forced me, oh no, you must complete this. Then I started, it took almost 2 years. See, writing takes much time, so whatever. But at the shooting part, there are no way, because you are well planned. In fact, shooting times, many things adds to your content, because that's the performance. We imagine, but you see the real performance. And that was a nice journey because of the nice actors. All they were, some of the, other than Shishir and Meera, who played that role, other Omar, Sonia Sirsat, Mukesh Gatwal, Lulu Forti, they were first time facing camera. But they were so at ease. Because I told them, see, this is the dialogue. You did not speak the same dialogue, but you know Konkani. So content, you have to communicate. So they were relaxed. But then they delivered the same dialogue, but that was the ease. Okay, I have to say some line. But they spoke the same word.
When you cast, when you decided, you need to cast these many people into that, did you have a vision in your mind that I need this person only to do this, and this one will be the role of this man?
Yes, 100%. See, Shishir, I met in Mumbai. I was looking for Nasiruddin Shah or Shishir Sharma or somebody else. So I found Shishir's photo. I said, yes, he looks Goan, perfectly and perfect to that character. So I went him. He liked the story. He said he agreed. Meera also same thing. Then Mukesh Gatwal, I wanted him to act. So he was also said, I have to act. I went, don't worry. Then Omar was my wife's choice. She had seen him. He can play Omar. Omar can play this character. Again, Lulu was my character. I have seen her because I attended many programs. See, all these people are connected to the music. So I want the people should feel that real. Actually, it's happening. See, because it becomes to act as a musician and musician to play the musician role, that becomes easy. So whenever we sing, whenever we move your fingers, whether you play piano or guitar or violin or even saxophone, if you see, he has taken training, Shishir Sharma. He was trained for almost a month how to play saxophone. So it's a blowing instrument that has to be correct, perfectly correct. So that all adds along with the story. This is what I'm telling you. The real performance was adding to the that is it.
So you also had a lot of different ideas at the very early stage, like from Alicia to this. We have seen you have done a lot of Goan cinema and promoting Goan cinema a lot. So there are a lot of challenges for Goan cinema here specifically. How do you see that, and what are the things we need to do in order to support Goan cinema?
See, support Goan cinema. Every Goan has to come and see Konkani film without passes and without any. Don't compare that with anybody. This is our cinema. You have to. In that way, support every Goan filmmaker. My goal is one. I want to work for Konkani cinema. I have done Marathi films also. I would have done this film in Marathi or Hindi also. But no, I want Goan cinema to be first priority. Then Hindi. If somebody comes and asks me, can we do it bilingual, Hindi and Konkani, I am ready. But Konkani first. My all films are Konkani first. Because I want Konkani cinema to develop in Goa. Okay. And now with government support and with this IFFI in Goa, every year I want to see Konkani cinema coming up in, not in Goa section, but in the main section of cinema, either in Panorama or I want every year Goan cinema should get one national award. So these are my dreams. But I always appeal to them, cinema making is not very easy. It needs money, but it needs good story. If you are convinced with the content what you have, then you go ahead. And the producer will also buy the stories and he will help you getting the film. So that is important.
So I think these steps needs to be taken. A lot of Goans need to come out in large numbers and support the art. That is the aim. And thank you so much for taking time off. We wish you all the very best.
It is releasing on 19 December all over Goa. So those who could not watch cinema today, please come from 19 December all over Goa.
Looking Forward to that. 19 Goa Liberation Day will definitely be very memorable for you and your team. All the very best. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's an insight about how do you feel being here?
I feel good being here, but sadly I didn't get to watch because I'm below 18.
Okay. So what are you doing in the film?
I'm like the hero and heroine's child in the film.
So what exactly, how were your challenges when it comes to, you're shooting your film?
I was scared.
Nervous?
Yeah.
So when exactly now you have seen yourself on screen, what was the best thing about your screen, your best scene that you've come?
In the whole movie.
In the whole movie, your best scene, which you did acting.
The last scene, of course.
The last scene, of course, indeed. And would you like to tell all your friends watching you right now any particular message to come and watch the film?
Yes.
Please tell them.
Especially Ansh Agarwal, and Yash Kamath, and Arif Borkar. Please come and watch the film.
Yeah, you can. Can you sing for us, please? Yes, please go ahead.
Claudia Mogacha Urbe Borit Jiwa Samozo Claudia Nismoja Dorache Shrapla Rupkar Tuzo.
We have with us Mr. Vardhan. Vardhan, welcome and give us an insight about how does it feel editing this wonderful masterpiece.
Thank you, first of all, and yeah, I'm like feeling proud right now because it's a Konkani film and it is there for world premiere. Yeah, so I'm so glad that Konkani film is being screened for world premiere, and I'm an editor of it.
So, what were the challenges that you came across when it comes to films like this?
There were challenges, but yeah, it was very much interesting because since this is a musical film, then it is based in a Goan satire. So to catch the story, to keep the hold of a person, and to cut it on a beat, especially, yeah, these were the challenges to it.
So, when you saw the film, also now that you have almost once you edit the thing, it takes time, right? You edit and then re-edit and then re-edit. So, the director told you I need this particular scene has to be there, and you are like, no, let's keep it a little longer. That contradiction happened or no?
That happens with every project, but then ultimately the goal is to make a film work and to make a good film. So that happens a lot. But yeah, but I think overall the way this film was written, the way it was directed, every scene was necessary. So we technically didn't have about removing the scenes, but making it shorter or just swapping it that way. Yeah.
I think it is one of its kind, and we're looking forward to see such films in future as well. Thank you so much for taking time.
Thank you so much. Yeah.